जलवायु परिवर्तन से लेकर जैव विविधता तक इन इन्वायरमेंटल साइंस के एमसीक्यूज से अपनी तैयारी को आप टेस्ट करें। सिर्फ टॉप अभ्यर्थी या कैंडिडेट ही इस एमसीक्यूज में फुल मार्क्स ला सकते हैं। क्या आप उनमें से एक हैं? आइए देखते हैं। Which of the following is the largest reservoir of carbon on Earth? A. Atmosphere, B. Oceans, C. Forests, D. Fossil fuels. Answer is ocean. Oceans. The oceans are the largest active carbon reservoir on Earth, holding about 38,000 gigatons of carbon. This significantly more than atmosphere, which holds 750 gigaton, and forest terrestrial biomass holds around 560 gigatons. The ocean absorbs carbon dioxide CO2 from the atmosphere and stores in the form of dissolved organic carbon. Next question. Which of the following is a primary pollutant? O3, B, peroxycytyl nitrate, PN, C. Sulfur dioxide SO2, D. Sulfuric acid. Answer is C. Sulfur dioxide SO2. A primary pollutant is emitted directly from a source, that is combustion of fossil fuels in the power plant and vehicles. Ozone, PAN and sulfuric acid are sedentary pollutants, meaning they are formed in the atmosphere through chemical reactions involving primary pollutants. SO2 reacts with water vapor from sulfuric acid. Third question is the Montreal Protocol is associated with the regulation of a greenhouse gas like CO2 and methane. C. Ozone depleting. B. Ozone depleting substances ODS like CFC. C. Persistent organic pollutants POPs. And D. Transboundary movement of hazardous waste. Answer is B. Ozone depleting substances ODS like CFC. The Montreal Protocol, signed in 1987, is an international treaty designed to phase out the production and consumption of substances that deplete ozone layer, most notably CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. The Kyoto Protocol and Paris Agreement deal with greenhouse gases. Next question, which of the following is best indicator of air pollution? A. Lichens, B. Fungi, C. Ferns, D. Algae. Answer is A. Lichens. Lichens are highly sensitive to sulfur dioxide SO2 and other air pollutants. They absorb water and nutrients directly from the air, so they cannot filter out pollutants. Their presence indicates clean air, while their absence or decline indicates high levels of air pollution. They are known as excellent bioindicators. Next question, biomagnification refers to the increase in total biomass of a species in an ecosystem. B, the rapid decomposition of organic matter by microorganisms. C, increase in the concentration of non-degradable pollutants as they pass through the food chain. The process of converting toxic waste into harmless substances. The increase in the concentration of non-degradable pollutants as they pass through the food chain. Biomagnification, also known as bioamplification, is the process where the concentration of toxins such as DDT, mercury, or increase in tissues of organism at successively higher trophic levels. Since toxin is not metabolized or excreted, it becomes more concentrated in the predators. Which type of natural vegetation is most commonly found in Mediterranean climate? A. Coniferous forest, B. Tropical forests, temperate grasslands, D. Sclerophyllous shrubs. So, answer is D. Sclerophyllous shrubs. Mediterranean climates are characterized by hot, dry summer and mild, wet winters. Plants have adapted to the summer drought with hard, waxy leaves and reduce water loss. These are typically evergreen. Question number A. Next question. The unit used to measure ozone layer's thickness is known as Dobson unit. B. Decibel. C. Parts per million. D. pH scale. Answer is A. Dobson unit. DU. Dobson unit is the most common unit for measuring total amount of ozone in column of the atmosphere above a point on Earth's surface. One Dobson unit corresponds a layer of ozone 0.01 mm thick at standard temperature and pressure. So a typical ozone layer's thickness is around 300 du. The tragedy of commons concept refers to A. Overexploitation of shared resources by individuals in their own self-interest. B. The historical practice of common land ownership in Europe. C. Ecological disaster caused by the introduction of non-native species. D. A legal principle for protecting endangered species. Answer is A. The over-exploitation of shared resources like pasture land by individuals acting as in their own self-interest. This concept is popularized by Garrett Hardin in 1968, describes a situation where individuals acting independently and rationally according to their own self-interest deplete shared limited resources even when it is clear that it is not in anyone's long-term interest. Examples include overshifting in international waters or overgrazing of common pasture land. Next question. National Green Tribunal in India was established under which act? A. The Environment Protection Act 1986. B. The Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1974. C. The National Green Tribunal Act 2010 and the Forest Conservation Act 1980. Answer is B. The National Green Tribunal Act 2010. The NGT was established on 18th October 2010 under the National Green Tribunal Act 2010. Its primary objective is to provide a specialized forum for the effective and speedy disposal of cases pertaining to environmental protection, conservation of forest and other natural resources. Next question. The Chipko movement was primarily a protest against A. Air pollution from factories, B. Large-scale deforestation and commercial logging, C. Construction of large dams, D. Use of chemical pesticides. Answer is B. Large-scale deforestation and commercial logging. The Chipko movement, which started in 1970s, in the Garhwal Himalayas of Uttarakhand, was a non-violent protest by village women and others who hugged trees to prevent them from being cut down by commercial loggers. It was a landmark grassroots movement for forest conservation that highlighted the ecological and economic importance of forests to local communities. Now, आपका स्कोर कितना रहा बताइए कमेंट करके. अगर आपको आपने सब सही किया तो लिखिए इको चैंपियन एंड शेयर और सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.